Hi, Mina. Brian Wartell here. I wanted to show you how to solve your problem. I finally got a stylus so I can write on this whiteboard. Still, my handwriting's not great, but you should be able to follow it. So you asked about this question about uh, nitrogen gas reacting with silicon specifically to form Si3N4, and you asked what mass of nitrogen gas reacts with 10 grams of silicon, and you gave the respective molar masses, right? So you want to first look at the molar equivalents, right? So you know that you're looking for mass, but you need to first find out what's the actual amount of moles that are reacting, right? So you actually have a kind of a combination. You have silicon in grams, and therefore you're looking for grams. So let's see what we can do about that, right? I'm not sure if that was too wordy, but it'll make sense in a moment. All right, so you have 10 grams of silicon, right? And that means that you have grams per mole is 28.085. I'm getting used to writing with the stylus. I'm going to just use my finger. Forget it. It's going to be a little messier, but it'll be much faster. 28.085. And that's grams per mole, right? So that means you need to figure out how many moles you have, and it's helpful to have a good calculator, whether it's a graphing calculator or not, doesn't necessarily matter. But that basically means that you have 28.085 divided by 10. Sorry, the opposite actually. You make sure you invert it properly. You have 0.356 moles of silicon. And because it needs to react threefold, meaning you need 3 moles of it to react, effectively you're going to be having 3 times less than that. So you divide that by 3, and then you have 0.119 moles of your silicon reacting, which means that you're also going to then have the same equivalent amount of moles reacting of your N2 gas, correct? However, the ratio is different since it's at 2, not 3, right? So the same way we had divided that by 3 before, now we have to multiply that by 2, right? So therefore, we're going to multiply it by 2, and again, I'm keeping the decimal points from before, and you wind up with 0.237 moles of N2. And that means that you, in order to have 0.37 moles, you have to multiply that by the grams per moles, which is 28.014. And when you multiply that by 28.014 grams per moles, you wind up with a total of 6.65 grams. And it's a reasonable answer, and that's how you do it.